guys, welcome back to another video. Today in this video you guys are going to watch me tackle this kitchen. I'm going to tackle the inside of the stove, which I have not done ever. So I'm going to tackle cleaning the inside of the stove, even though it has a self-cleaning gadget or whatever on there. I actually want to clean it with my own hands. So if you guys are interested in watching a video like that and we're going to do a clean with me in my kitchen, let's get started. But because I'm pretty sure I'm going to need some energy, I got to make me a shake first. This stuff right here, I started using this probably a couple months ago, and I'm telling you, I love this stuff. This stuff cleans everything. So I'm actually going to spray this in the oven because I saw this on TikTok. I'm going to spray this in the oven, and while I'm cleaning the kitchen, we're going to let this sit. And if you guys do not use liners in your oven, you really need to. I got this from Amazon, and of course I'm going to link it for you guys, but this is the best thing. I'm so old school, you guys. I used to use foil at the bottom of the stove. If you are around my age, that's what your parents did, and that's kind of probably what you started out doing and what you probably still do. But I found this on Amazon, and I don't know if you guys can see that. It catches all the food and it's reusable, and I just love this thing. So just letting you guys know, you can get this off of Amazon. I think it'll be easier if I just put them on the oven like this and then actually spray it down. So you see how it's not really that dirty. I'm going to show you guys a close-up. I'm going to spray this down first. So I'm just going to let that sit. So this is kind of how the kitchen looks. It's not too bad. And the hubby, we protein all day long, and you guys, I am really trying to lose weight. If you guys have not watched my pantry organization video, you need to go watch that because the pantry is still organized. You know, just a little bit is, you know, messed up, but it is still organized. So I am so proud of myself. I can't remember when I actually did that video, but it is still organized, and there is a video on my channel if you guys want to go check that out. whole nother story. You guys, I really need to get this organized. I need to go to Home Goods and buy some containers and just a lot of stuff to actually reorganize all the cabinets where our Tupperware is, our plates, cups, and all that stuff. So I'm going to be doing a video on that. I don't know when, but sometime in the near future. So a couple weeks ago, I noticed that on our glasses, they had a lot of spots on the glasses. Hopefully you guys can hear me. And I was like, the water looks like it was just dirty or something like that. So I started researching, got on YouTube, and I found out that, this is something I didn't know, there is a filter down here. And you literally, I'm gonna have to show you guys. I went and got this, which I didn't even know was a such thing. It is a dishwasher cleaner. So that helps. You do this every week. I believe it's every week. And you put one in there every week when there's no dishes in there, and you just run it. But let me show you guys how it looks, how the little filter thing looks, if you guys don't know that. So right in here, this is a filter, and you can actually take this out. And when you take this out, like, there's a little bit of food in there, but usually there's food, and you just take it over to the sink and you clean it. I'm not gonna do it now. It kind of looks disgusting right now, but I'm holding the camera too at the same time. But all that food and grime actually gets stuck in your dishwasher, and when the water kicks back up, it will keep your dishes looking dirty. So that little, and then just put it back in there and tighten it. I'm gonna fill this up, and I'm going to start some boiling water, because I'm gonna use this boiling water in the sink, in the drain. I'll tell you guys why in a second. So I don't keep my handles on here because I put that tray on top of my stove when we're not using it. So while we're waiting on that, let's get back to the stove. I'm trying to see if I can show you guys this. Look at all that. Just look at that. Look at how that is coming off. It's hard to do it, but all that grease grime, it's coming right off. You guys, this is hard work. I don't even know if you guys see. Y'all probably can't even see this. But I just wish I could show you guys how it's coming off. So the first thing I do is I clean it first to get all the gunk and whatever is on there off. And then I will dry in the direction of the grain. So now I'm just trying to get the soap off. This stuck on grease and stuff, it is coming off. On TikTok, the lady said leave it on there for 2 hours. Of course, this has not been 2 hours. So, but I do see that a lot of, I mean, look at it. I'm gonna scrub. So what I'm thinking is, if I was to let this stay on for 2 hours, it would actually work. You guys see that spot? There? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and clean the stove, and then I'm just gonna come back in 2 hours and let you guys see how it turned out, okay? Next thing that I'm going to tackle is the sink. Not only the sink, the inside of the sink, the garbage disposal. So that's where we're gonna clean. Remember I had the boiling water over there? That's what I need it for, to clean the inside of the sink. Okay guys, so last thing I have to do is steam. This is my favorite part of cleaning. You guys know that. So let's get to steaming. You guys, that was actually harder than it looked. It wasn't even that much to clean, but it was, I'm tired. So I'm so glad that you guys decided to join me. Thank you so much for clicking on the channel. If you are not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Hopefully you all got some motivation from the cleaning of my kitchen. And until the next video, bye guys.